Alright, welcome to this video where this pipe here and that pipe there, well, we're going to put a cutout on a Chevy V8 5.7 liter straight pipe, so give her a listen. But by the way, this mask, well, that's because of the coronavirus that's going on, because you never know when that thing is going to come out, man. This car is, well, it's from Asia, so you got to be careful. Don't get too close to the screen, you never know. So wear your mask, be safe, and check out this cutout video of the Chevy Vortec engine. Alright, so there's our dual pipes, and we'll get a look underneath here in a second. And we did it on this truck right here, an FJ40 in 1972. But don't let it fool you, it's got a Chevy V8 5.7 liter Vortec engine inside. Now before we get there, in a previous video, people have been asking me, what's this bar up front? What's that serve? And I'm like, geez, son, you born yesterday? You don't know what that's for? I'll show you what that bar's for right there. Now, if y'all buy a truck that don't got one of these on it, then that's a pansy truck, and you probably will end up with fat chicks in the back. So do yourself a favor and get one of these on your truck. Now, also want to remind you, subscribe, would you? Take a second, hit that subscribe button below. Just pause the video, take your finger out of your nose and just hit subscribe. And I'll tell you what, if you don't hit subscribe, I'll find you. And one Sunday, I'll come pull up behind your house and I'll crank this thing over and start it up and wake you all up. Then you're gonna regret it. So would you like to see this news article in your local news? Alright, so let's see what we're working with here. You recognize that piece of American art? That's a Chevy Vortec fuel injected 5.7 liter of pure gas guzzling, no excuses, take no prisoners, 350 horsepower beast. Now let's look underneath. We got two headers that are coming down to our pipe underneath like so. Now the problem here before, this had a 2.25 inch pipe, and that's like Uncle Jed drinking his JD out of a little sippy cup straw. That's just wrong. You want to get the quickest delivery of that fluid straight to his liver. Same thing here. So we want that straight pipe to be big, to be able to get all that exhaust out. So we change it to a 3-inch, and then when we get back here, that's where we have our cutout. Let me get back there and show y'all. Alright, so that straight pipe come through, no resonator, no catalytic converter, straight to this cutout valve, bought on eBay. Now I bought it on the eBay because I can switch out that thing, just plug and play, because it's gonna break. I don't care where you buy your cutout, it's gonna break. And it comes to these rough country exhausts. Now you can have that bad boy on, or you can go through the muffler and it come out this one. So what do you say we all give it a listen? And fair warning, I'll give you an advance warning. Now, you know, get the kids out of the house, send them out to find the dog, the missing dog. For the wife, I don't know, tell her to go take her bath or go fetch you a beer, but you want to clear the house, man. This is going to get loud. So either turn your speakers down, or if you got a man cave, well, you crank those speakers right up. All right, let's get this thing cranked over, and, you know, let's cut right to the chase. We're going to go for the full open start, and we'll give her a couple revs. Well, whoo-wee, that was fun. Now, you know, I got that, we got a key here that I want to show you. So you press B for about 4 seconds to get the butterfly valve fully open so you are in charge and loud. So that's a lot of fun. Now I had someone at where I work say, why you gonna do that? Why do you gotta do that to your truck? So I said, it's real simple. Here's why. America. Enough said, right? Home of the loud and land of the free of catalytic converters. So again, I pressed the B. I darn reckon that B right there, that stands for bastard or beast. And then when you click A, it's amicable and the car goes back to normal. Whew, thank God. So I think I'll be driving most of the time with that in A mode. But when I want to clear a trail of other cars that are in the way, I'll just put it to the B for bastard. All right, well, thanks for watching the video. That's the Chevy V8 Vortec, fuel injected, matted up, single exhaust, but going to a 3-inch pipe to a cutout, and then also the muffler. That muffler underneath is a Flowmaster 50. Sounds real nice, even just with that. And when I'm on the trail, probably want to be kind of quiet. So I like the options. It's Jekyll and Hyde. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll be putting up some new videos soon. Thanks, y'all.